All right, time to find a blacksmith.
Something is wrong here. Gotta be careful. Everyone's acting strange. Let us survey the area.
Right. Are you okay?
Who's trying to talk to them? Enemies around?
What's going on here?
It appears to be more than just a battle. Trapped on this bridge.
I'll just barrel right through him. Whew! Just made it! Hey, Tails! No, it can't be. This is the smithy, right?
It sure is. Welcome, Sir Knight.
He is no knight. At least not yet.
Says you.
What a magnificent sword. I've never seen one that talks before.
Oh, it talks all right.
I know a fine blade when I see it. I am a blacksmith after all.
Great. Think you could sharpen this dull piece of rust?
Fool! It is you who is dull.
Of course I could. Now, what's the sword's name?
Caliburn.
Caliburn? Where have I heard that name before?
Sorry, but could you speed it up a bit? We're kind of in a hurry.
Sure, leave it to me. Welcome.
Goes off when you touch this brave fairy. If I'm not mistaken, the Lady of the Lake lives somewhere ahead.
Wherever it is. Hey, this could be helpful. Let's hitch a ride.
A wagon ride wouldn't be bad. Here it comes. You can slay them when they leap. Watch for it.
Hey!
It's all right. We're following the boat.
It looks like we've run right into the forest. Is this the right way?
Yes, the lake is said to lie in the remote part of the forest.
That's huge.
Indeed, this secret tree protects the forest.
If I get too close to the nest, hornets will come out. I don't want to get stung.
It looks like there's some sort of settlement.
Anyone living around here must be a little strange. Up ahead?
Yes, that's right. You should soon be able to see the lake.
Whew! Just made it! I have found you, apprentice knight, enemy of my king. Who the heck are you? Shadow?
I am Lancelot, Knight of the Round Table. I challenge you to a duel.
Some things never change.
What do you mean by that?
Nothing. It's just that he looks like trouble.
What shall it be? Will you abandon your sword and flee?
Sounds good to me!
Fool! A knight never flees a foe.
May I have your name, apprentice knight?
He is Knave the Hedgehog, and he accepts your challenge.
Hey, wait just a second here!
Very well then. Brace yourself, Knave the Hedgehog. Now we shall see what you can do.
In close fights, you've got to send more an opening!
You're going to have to do better than that to defeat me. I was far too careless.
That was tight! Wow! So he was one of the Knights of the Round Table?
The mightiest of all, and the closest to King Arthur. It was mere luck that enabled you to defeat him.
If you say so.
Why did you not deal him the final blow?
Huh?
Such sympathy is an insult to a knight.
What's the big deal? Besides, I got this, didn't I?
That is Arundite, one of the sacred swords of this land. Take good care of it.
No problem.
We're here.
I've been waiting for you, knight from another world.
Whoa!
Fool, where are you going?
But that's...
You are being rude to the Lady of the Lake. Bow your head.
I think I know why you're here. It's about Excalibur, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. You don't waste any time, lady.
Show some respect.
I'll tell you how to hinder the scabbard's power of immortality. I'm the one who gave it to him, so it's kind of my fault, see? But still...
Still what?
Whoever defeats King Arthur and takes his scabbard might end up turning out the same way, right?
I see.
So, I have 3 tests for you. Would you like to hear them?
Sure, fire away!
First, free the innocents from King Arthur's dungeon. Second, offer compassion to those in need. Third, defeat King Arthur's knights of the underworld. You have 3 days. Good luck!
I get it. She's only gonna tell the secret to a true knight.
Are you up to the task? This will not be easy.
Ha! I'm the world's fastest hedgehog. Check it out! You'll be calling me sir before you know it.
Mind that you take no damage.
Remember who you're talking to! Just made it! As a knight.
That's the spirit. Good heavens.
Sorry.
Where are we? It looks like a waterway under the castle.
just made it!
I'll just have to take him down.
Easy. Piece of cake.
The test is about to begin.
Leave it to me! Just made it!
It's close, but it seems you somehow made it.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Do not let it go to your head, fool. What's wrong?
what's the matter? Are you lost or something?
A great big dragon attacked my village.
A dragon?
It took my mommy and my daddy and everybody away.
You know where the dragon is, kid?
It's in the big cave at the bottom of that mountain.
All right, I'm on it.
Wait, don't tell me you're going off to slay a dragon now!
Yes, we are.
What of the ladies' tests? You will never make it in time.
Yeah, maybe, but I play by my own rules. Remember that.
You fool.
Hang in there, kiddo. I'll get your folks back.